Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to learn about number sequences, and this is the video for class 5. Book is Oxford International Primary Math for 5 class, and page number is 11. So here's the exercise. In a Fibonacci type sequence, each number is the sum of two previous numbers. For example, here is 1, then again a 1 is coming, and then 2 is the sum of these previous numbers. Then 3 is the sum of these two previous numbers. So we have to extend the Fibonacci sequence for another 10 numbers. Let's suppose we choose numbers as 3 and 4. So if we choose 3 and 4, then the next number will be their sum, that is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. After that 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. After that 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. After that 11 and 18 is equal to 29. Then 18 and 29 is equal. If we add 18 and 29, then we will get 47 and so 47 and so on. So you can do these exercises for the practice. Next exercise is odd and even numbers. Use your interlocking cube to find out what happens when you add two odd numbers. What are odd numbers? The odd numbers are the numbers whose last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So the question is, what happens when you add two odd numbers? If we add two odd numbers like 3 or 5, we will get what? Even. This is strange, but let's do this. So we get 8, which is our even. What is an even number? Here we will write odd, and here we will write even. Even numbers are those numbers whose end last digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Okay. So if we write 6 examples, you can write these. What happens when you add 3 odd numbers? If we add 1 plus 5 plus 7, what will be? It will be 13, which is an odd number. So what happens when you add two odd numbers? You will get even. We will get even. If we add three odd numbers, then we will get an odd number. So you can write these examples here. Here is again another exercise for odd and even numbers. Use the interlocking cube to find out what happens when you multiply single digit number by 4. What is a single digit number? Single digit is that who contains from 1 to 3 and so on up to 9. As there are a single digit numbers, so we have to multiply them with 4. If we multiply 1 with 4, then it will equal to a single digit number. But some numbers, like if we multiply 3 with 4, it will make a two-digit number. So Do you think that answers are odd or even or mixer of both? So if we multiply 1 with 4, we get 4. 3 with 4, we get 12. This is even, this is even. And if we also multiply even with 4, we will get even. So this is the technique that if you have to find an even number, you have to multiply that with an even number. You can multiply even with even or even with odd. So what do you think that answers are odd or even or mixture of both? This is a mixture of both even and odd. Okay. So next is test your thinking with cubes. Write some examples. So here is another question. What happens when you multiply a single digit number with 5? So multiply 5 with 5. That will equal to 25. If you multiply 2 with 5, then it will equal to 10. So it will be a mixture of both odd. No, here it will be a mixture of, here it will be only even. Sorry for the mistake. These are even, but a mixture of both single and non-single digit number. So here we will write both odd, both even and odd. Okay. So next is multiplying by even numbers. Will give only even. Multiplying with odd numbers will give mixture of both, as we do with 5 and 4. So this is the today lecture. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will do the review and the last exercise. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching it, subscribe it, like it, and also share it. And also give me your feedback in the form of comments. Also, if you want to make live video for you, kindly tell me. If you want to share your questions with me, I will give you the answers. Thanks.